Gardening tips for seniors ready for spring. Preparing for spring gardening as a senior doesn't have to be intimidating. Make the most of your retirement and enjoy life outdoors by following these tailored gardening tips. Learn how to get your backyard ready, start planting, and find helpful resources so you can make the most out of your green space this season. Number 1. Evaluate your garden space. Before you start preparing for spring, take a look at where your garden is located and how much space you have to work with. Are there any areas of your yard that get more sunlight than others? If not, consider planting more trees in order to provide shade throughout the day. Are there any areas that are prone to flooding? If so, make sure you're taking the necessary steps to protect your garden from potential water damage. Number 2. Choose plants that match your interests. Not all plants are created equal. You can enjoy retirement gardening even more by selecting plants that match your interests, such as fragrant flowers or hummingbird-attracting plants. Try to spread out different types of plant species throughout your garden. This will create a beautiful, diverse landscape and provide additional opportunities for bird watching and animal visits. Number 3. Keep your garden accessible. Gardening should be an enjoyable activity, but it's important to make sure it remains safe for you too. To keep up with your gardening ambitions, add elevated planters and raised beds for easier access. And if possible, try adding pathways around the garden area and optimizing existing pathways in order to circulate safely through the space as needed. Number 4. Expand your plant knowledge. Gardening can easily become one of your most fulfilling hobbies during retirement, but don't let inexperience limit yours. Take advantage of online resources such as webinars or books to learn more about specific plant species so that you can decide which ones are best suited for your space and what techniques work best when caring for them, like how often they need fertilizing or when they need pruning. Number 5. Use easy-to-care plants. While all plants require some degree of maintenance, springtime can be particularly busy when adding new additions to the garden. Also consider using easy-to-care plants or low-maintenance varieties such as succulents and tropical houseplants that require minimal care in order to reduce stress levels and allow you plenty of time just to relax without having to worry about weeds. Number 6. Explore color combinations. Retirement gives you plenty of time to explore different color combinations within the garden. Take a few moments each week studying photos or making sketches on paper. Exploring various combinations will help you determine which ones will look best in reality once plants bloom in the following season. Number 7. Join a local community group. There's no better way to enjoy life after retirement than connecting with other passionate people who share the same hobby and interests with seniors like yourselves. Look into your local community groups. Many offer plant swaps and monthly meetings, especially tailored toward beginner gardeners who want to learn together in a supportive environment. Retirement can be a fantastic opportunity to learn something new, like gardening. Spring is the perfect time to start prepping your garden and setting up some planters. CTBIDS has everything you need when it comes to gardening tools and planters, all starting at $1. What's more is that by shopping on CTBIDS, you'll have access to unique treasures, great value items, and everyday household items with a rich history. Shopping on our platform not only gives you the chance to find unique products, but also contributes positively in reusing and repurposing belongings for a greener living.